Hello my friends! So, it has been a really long time since I filmed, like 3 months or something. I'm feeling a little bit nervous. Hi, welcome. So yeah, today I have a unboxing video for a bunch of secondhand Lolita. I bought all of these items from the websites Mercari and Yahoo Japan, and so I do that by using this shopping service called Buyee. And so thank you Buyee for sponsoring today's video. They are a wonderful shopping service that lets you shop from these websites that don't normally ship to your country, and then they also like hold all of your items for up to 1 month. Up to 1 month. So you're able to like continue shopping and bidding on things, and it can be a little bit dangerous. But yeah, and then at the end of the month period, you know, they put all the items together and ship them to you. So I think it's a really like user-friendly first time around kind of shopping service. So if you're looking for one, do check them out. And thank you again Buyee for sponsoring my video. I'm so excited to unbox this package. I've had it for like a solid 3 to 4 months, like sitting in my room. I just wasn't feeling like mentally up to filming. I've had a bit of a rough time, but such is life, you know. Always remember those really horrible moments. They really give us good comparison to understand and appreciate and be grateful for the really good times. Bum ba bum! My Hello Kitty knife! It is so adorable. I've owned this for a millennia now. But yes, let me stop waving that around and just open the package. This is why this box was so heavy. So if you've watched my previous like secondhand Lolita haul videos, you might be able to guess what all of these are. Oh my gosh, I'll just pop them here. Onto our first item. Oh, this is so cute, and I actually wore the perfect dress for this item. I didn't even think about that. Let me just get it out and show you. This is the item up close. It is a Baby the Star Shine Bright keychain, and so it's this lovely love heart shape. At the top, it's also got like a love heart clip clasp thing to attach to your bag, and so depicted on the front we have Usakumya and Kumakumya, and they're hanging out with strawberries and cherries, and it's the exact same print as this, my very first dream dress that I bought. So yes, we absolutely love this keychain. She is so adorable and will definitely be making the rounds onto all of my bags so I can use her every day. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for these. Is it broken? I don't think so. Hang on, hang on. So these items here are going to be the very first pieces of brand new Angelic Pretty that I have ever owned. I'm so excited. It comes with the tags. I'm definitely gonna keep this forever and like hang it off one of my things. But yeah, I've not bought any brand new Angelic Pretty before, so this is really exciting. And yeah, I did buy it like secondhand off the website, but someone else bought it new or whatever. What I'm trying to say is, yeah, I've never gotten an Angelic Pretty tag. So here is the jewelry that I bought up close. It is the super cute, like very recent release of this gorgeous like gingham plastic jewelry. I love Angelic Pretty's plastic jewelry. It is everything, and like the most expensive jewelry that I own, and it's plastic, which is kind of funny, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. I am in love with the gingham pattern. I think it's the most precious thing ever. So I have a little love heart ring here, and then this necklace here is so adorable and so nicely detailed. It has this little bow, like a material bow here, and then it comes up into some like little pearl beads, and then it's got little like plastic beads as well that look like bows, little pink ones. So cute. And of course it has the gold hardware, which is my favorite hardware personally. I just think it looks nicest on my skin. So adorable. I absolutely love Angelic Pretty jewelry. It's really cute. This one here is just from Taobao, and it's way too big. It slips off really easily. But this one is in fact quite snug. So if you're into this kind of jewelry, be mindful that I feel like this wouldn't fit a lot of people, to be honest. Even though it does have the gap at the back to like spread. Yeah man, it's hard plastic. I don't know, it doesn't kind of bend that easily. But yeah, it's everything. So cute. And so now we are up to all of these items. Have you guessed what they are yet? Oh my gosh. I forgot I bought this and I didn't realize. I thought this was one of these other things that you're gonna see, but this is huge. Oh my gosh, I thought this was like a postcard size. Let me bring it out and show you. So this is the item here. It is a Baby the Star Shine Bright like little shop front, and then it has a bunch of their dresses like hanging up in the window, and on the back it's got a really lovely like little detailed story. It has like, you know, when they established, and then just a bunch of other things. I read it very quickly, but perhaps if you can see it, you can pause it and read it now. This is just like a wee little novelty item. It's just made of cardboard, and then it kind of like, it's a little bit 3D, like it will pop open when I open it. I don't want to open it right now though. I'm a bit like that. I like keeping the plastic on things. But yes, I actually own 2 of these dresses. This one, and I think this one here in a different cut. But oh, it's really cute. I think it's so adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm happy I got this even though I forgot about it. But it is the cutest thing. Baby the Star Shine Bright is my favorite Lolita brand. So yeah, I love collecting all possible collectibles from them. Okay, so now we are on to all of these items here, which are like the same theme, the same thing. I don't know, you will see. Let's see, which one is first? Oh my god. This is the one that I was most excited about. Oh, the universe. She smiles on me sometimes. Wow. Okay, so we have here a Gothic and Lolita Bible. Ooh. I mentioned in my other video what is so important about these. These are just iconic and everything. And like, they don't print these anymore. So they're really just such a old piece of Lolita history that I am so keen to own as many of them as I can for like my personal collection, because they're iconic, man. And so this is a very, very highly coveted volume, is what it's called. So this is volume 3. I'm letting you think about it. Maybe it's sparking some memory in some of you. So what is most important about this volume here is the patterns that are inside. So I'll look at them in just a second. I think it's been laminated. No, maybe it hasn't been laminated. I guess most magazines are shiny. So here it is. This is why this volume is so special and very hard to come by, because of these 2 patterns that are inside. So here we have a Baby the Star Shine Bright love heart apron, and then underneath it we have the original Usakumiya pattern. Oh, you probably can't see anything. The glare is really intense. But yes, oh my god, that is why I wanted this volume in particular, because these patterns are just, they're everything. I'm definitely going to try to make that love heart apron. I don't know if I'll make the original Usakumiya. Maybe that's why this volume is really so difficult to come by, because those patterns are like everything. Everybody wants those. On to our next Gothic and Lolita Bible. I guess I can tell you, they're all Gothic and Lolita Bibles. This is the next one that I got. This is volume 13, and so I chose this one because 13's like my favorite number. I was born on June the 13th. And the cover art is gorgeous. This one felt really thick, and it's got these like 2 pages of cardboard that have like these playing cards. So like it's got cute artwork, and on the back it has like, you know, I don't know what kind of game you're meant to play with just a couple of cards, but it's like cardboard, so you could like cut it out and keep those. And like down here are little like tags, perhaps for presents. I think this one here has these like cardboard playing cards instead of stickers. I can't see any anyways, but it's so nice. I cannot wait to have a proper like look through all of these magazines later. Next one. So this one here is volume 32. I'm pretty sure that's what it says. Yeah, 32, and it says even here from 2009. Ooh, we have stickers. So here are the stickers, and they look like just a bunch of bears, possibly from the brand Mary Thought. It just says those words in the corner. But we have all of the stickers still intact, which 2009 is when this magazine is from, so that is amazing. I remember why I wanted this edition in particular, and it's because we have the patterns for some Usakumiya dresses, or just little baby dresses from Baby the Star Shine Bright that you can put on your Usakumiya or your Kumakumiya. Yeah, and I am so keen to try out these patterns and make some fun things. That's Gonna be so adorable. On the other side, there's like a little cape that you can make for a bear as well. Oh, so cute. So the way that I'm gonna buy these magazines, the theory in it anyways, is first purchasing all of the ones that have my favorite patterns inside, or just like my favorite cover art, because the art is everything. This is my art collection, isn't it? So yeah, I'm gonna go that way around it, and then perhaps one day I will own all of them. That would be intense, we'll see. But for the meantime, I'm very pleased with how my collection is going. And now onto the Lucky Last magazine. So this is it here, it is volume 28. This one does have the full sticker sheet intact as well, which again, so amazing from being all the way back in 2008. Now it doesn't have an artist name on here, but they're just really cute, like sweet print kind of little dresses and macarons and stuff. Yeah, it just says Gothic and Lolita Bible, so it must just have been an artist that they got to make those stickers. But yes, very lucky, oh my gosh. So we have all of the stickers. Now I wonder what the patterns are in this one. The patterns in this one are for some Angelic Pretty like accessories. There's some accessories and like little bags and stuff like that. I'll put up the photos. But yeah, super cute. And so that's the whole haul. Thank you so much for watching. It was mostly a like Gothic and Lolita Bible haul, wasn't it? But yes, actually do be very mindful if you're like interested in buying these magazines. They are really heavy, and so they're gonna up the cost of your shipping by a lot. So yeah, just be thoughtful about that. But of course, since they don't make Gothic and Lolita Bibles anymore, your only way of getting them is through secondhand markets like this. So if you're like me and you're into collecting, you know, it's a wonderful collector's item and totally worth the shipping. But anyways, that's just a little reminder, just in case you get scared with the shipping fee. But anyways, yeah, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed hanging out again. And then yeah, hopefully I'll get to see you in another video soon. Bye!